In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become Zoho partner. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete the application so it's clear, complete, and ready for review. Start by opening your browser and heading to zoho.com, the Zoho website homepage. Once the page loads, look at the top navigation bar and find the Partners option. Click Partners to go to the area dedicated to their partner ecosystem. On that page, you'll see prominent buttons inviting you to get started. Click the button that says Become a Partner. If you see the same option repeated further down the page, that's fine. Click either one to continue. You'll land on the Partner Sign Up area, which outlines the application flow. Take a moment to skim the page so you understand the path ahead. You'll create or sign in to a Zoho account, fill out the partner application form, and then your application will be reviewed by the Zoho team. If you don't have a Zoho account yet, create one now. Use a business email you have access to and complete any verification they require. If you already have an account, just sign in. Keeping everything under your company email helps with consistency during the review. And remember to keep your login details safe and never share your password. Next, look for the button labeled Click to Apply and select it to begin the actual application. You'll see the form where you'll provide your details. Start by entering your email address in the email field. Then choose your data center. This usually corresponds to your business's primary region, and it can be important for data privacy and compliance. Pick the one that best matches where your organization operates or where you expect to serve customers. Move into the Company Details section. Type your company name exactly as it appears in your official records so it matches any documentation you may reference later. Add your website in the website field. Make sure the URL is correct and publicly accessible. Reviewers may look at it to understand what you do. Add your personal contact details next. Enter your first name and last name as you want them to appear on partner communications. Then click the job title field and type in your job title. Use the title that reflects your role in the business, especially if you're responsible for partnerships or decision making. Provide the number of employees at your organization. Give the most accurate current count. This helps Zoho understand your capacity and scale. After that, select your target market. Choose the regions or customer segments you primarily serve. The more accurately you define your market, the easier it is for Zoho to assess fit and align resources. Select your industry expertise from the available options. Pick the industries where you have genuine experience delivering solutions or services, such as implementation, training, or consulting. Accurate selections here help set expectations and can strengthen your profile during review. Navigate to the business address section and fill in your official business address. Enter the street address, city, state, or region if applicable, and postal code, along with the country. Ensure everything matches your company records and is formatted correctly. If your business uses a registered legal address and a separate mailing address, use the official registered address unless the form specifies otherwise. When you've reviewed all entries for spelling, accuracy, and completeness, click Continue to proceed. Follow the remaining on-screen prompts to finalize the application. Keep your information consistent and avoid abbreviations that might be unclear. After submission, your application enters the review stage. Watch for a confirmation message and any follow-up emails from Zoho. Response times can vary, so keep an eye on your inbox and your spam folder just in case. That's it. You've reached the end of the process to apply and become a Zoho partner. Take a moment to double-check everything before submitting, and you'll set yourself up for a smooth review. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your application.